looking for your next Red Sea getaway. Let's dive deep into what Long Beach Resort in Egypt has to offer. This popular destination has been welcoming guests for years, and today we're going to explore every corner of this beachfront property to help you decide if it's the right choice for your vacation. When it comes to accommodations, Long Beach Resort offers a variety of room types designed to suit different traveler needs and budgets. The standard rooms provide comfortable spaces with essential amenities, featuring contemporary furnishings and private balconies where guests can enjoy views of either the resort gardens or the stunning Red Sea. These rooms typically include air conditioning, satellite television, mini-fridges, and en-suite bathrooms with shower facilities. For those seeking a bit more luxury, the superior rooms offer enhanced space and upgraded amenities, often positioned in prime locations throughout the property with better views and additional comfort features. The family rooms are particularly well designed, providing ample space for parents and children with separate sleeping areas and larger bathroom facilities. These accommodations often include extra beds or sofa beds to comfortably host families of various sizes. For guests celebrating special occasions or simply wanting to indulge, the suite options deliver premium experiences with separate living areas, enhanced decor, and superior furnishings. Many suites feature spacious balconies or terraces with seating areas perfect for enjoying morning coffee or evening drinks while taking in the spectacular sea views. The rooms are cleaned daily by attentive housekeeping staff, and most accommodations feature tiled floors that help keep spaces cool in the Egyptian heat. Storage space is generally adequate with wardrobes and drawer units, and the rooms maintain a simple but functional design philosophy that prioritizes comfort and practicality over excessive luxury. Some room categories offer direct or easy pool access, which families particularly appreciate for convenience. The dining scene at Long Beach Resort caters to international tastes with multiple restaurant venues and bars spread across the property. The main restaurant operates on a buffet basis, serving breakfast, lunch, and dinner with rotating menus that showcase international cuisine alongside local Egyptian specialties. Guests can expect to find various stations offering fresh salads, hot dishes, pasta, grilled meats, seafood options, and desserts. The breakfast spread typically includes both continental and cooked options with eggs prepared to order, fresh fruits, pastries, cereals, and hot beverages. Theme nights add variety to the dining experience throughout the week, with evenings dedicated to Italian, Asian, seafood, and traditional Egyptian cuisines. Beyond the main buffet restaurant, guests often have access to additional dining venues that may include an à la carte restaurant offering more intimate dining experiences with table service and specialized menus. These venues sometimes require reservations and may have dress codes for evening service. The bars scattered throughout the resort provide convenient spots for refreshments throughout the day and evening. The pool bar serves as a social hub where guests can enjoy cold beverages, light snacks, and ice cream without leaving the pool area. The beach bar offers similar services with the added bonus of sand between your toes and sea breezes. For evening entertainment, the main bar often features live music or entertainment programs and serves a wide selection of local and international beverages. The all-inclusive packages typically cover local alcoholic drinks, soft drinks, water, tea, and coffee throughout the day at designated venues. While the variety and quality of food can vary based on occupancy levels and seasons, most guests find sufficient options to satisfy their appetites throughout their stay. The service in restaurants can be busy during peak meal times, so arriving slightly earlier or later than rush hours often results in a more relaxed dining experience. The aquatic facilities at Long Beach Resort represent one of its strongest features, with multiple swimming pools catering to different preferences and age groups. The main pool area serves as the resort's central gathering point, featuring a large swimming pool with varying depths suitable for both swimmers and those who prefer to wade and relax. Surrounding the pool, guests find numerous sun loungers and umbrellas, though securing prime spots during peak season often requires early morning claims. The pool area includes a separate children's pool with shallower water and sometimes playful water features that younger guests enjoy. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, additional pools located in quieter sections of the resort offer peaceful alternatives away from the main activity hub. The pools are generally well maintained with regular cleaning schedules, though chlorine levels can occasionally run high. Pool bars provide convenient access to refreshments without requiring guests to leave the aquatic area, and servers often circulate taking drink orders from those lounging poolside. The beach access represents a major draw for many guests, with the resort's private beach area stretching along the Red Sea coastline. The beach features a mix of sandy areas and rocky sections, with the resort providing marked swimming zones and wooden jetties extending into the water for easier sea access. Sunbeds and umbrellas line the beach, offering comfortable spots for sunbathing and relaxation while enjoying the sea breeze and stunning water views. The Red Sea's famous coral reefs lie just offshore, making this location particularly attractive for snorkeling enthusiasts. The house reef, accessible directly from the beach, allows guests to explore vibrant underwater ecosystems teeming with colorful fish and coral formations without needing boat trips. The resort typically provides a designated snorkeling area marked with buoys for safety. Water sports activities are often available through the beach, with options that may include windsurfing, kayaking, and paddle boarding, though some activities may incur additional charges beyond the all-inclusive package. The beach can experience occasional windy periods, which is typical for Red Sea locations, and the water entry requires careful navigation due to coral and rocks in some areas. Beach shoes are highly recommended for comfortable and safe water access. Lifeguards are generally present during daylight hours, and the beach facilities include changing rooms and shower areas for rinsing off after swimming. The combination of pools and beach provides excellent variety, allowing guests to alternate between freshwater swimming and Red Sea adventures throughout their stay. Beyond swimming and beach activities, Long Beach Resort offers various recreational options to keep guests entertained throughout their vacation. The fitness center provides an air-conditioned space equipped with cardio machines, weights, and exercise equipment for guests wanting to maintain their workout routines while traveling. The facility may not match the latest boutique gym standards, but offers adequate equipment for basic fitness needs. Sports enthusiasts can enjoy tennis courts, with equipment sometimes available for loan from reception, and occasional organized tournaments or lessons depending on the season and animation team schedule. Beach volleyball courts provide opportunities for friendly competitive games, often with organized matches led by the entertainment staff. The animation team plays a significant role in the resort's activity program, organizing daily activities that might include water aerobics, dance classes, beach games, and various competitions. Evening entertainment typically features live music performances, shows, themed parties, and occasional cultural performances that showcase local traditions. The quality and variety of entertainment can vary significantly depending on the season, with peak times offering more comprehensive programs. For those interested in exploring the underwater world beyond snorkeling, diving centers operating at or near the resort provide courses for beginners and guided dives for certified divers to explore the exceptional Red Sea dive sites. These services typically operate independently and charge separately from the all-inclusive package. Table tennis, darts, and board games offer additional leisure options, and the resort sometimes organizes excursions to nearby attractions, though these are usually available at extra cost through tour operators with desks on the property. The spa and wellness facilities at Long Beach Resort provide opportunities for relaxation and rejuvenation after days spent in the sun and sea. The spa typically offers a menu of treatments including various massage styles, from traditional relaxation massages to more therapeutic deep tissue options. Facial treatments, body scrubs, and beauty services round out the spa menu, allowing guests to indulge in comprehensive pampering sessions. The spa facilities often include a sauna and steam room, providing heat therapy experiences that help relax muscles and promote well-being. Some spa packages combine multiple treatments for extended wellness experiences. Turkish bath experiences, fitting given the regional location, may be available as traditional hammam treatments complete with exfoliation and massage. Appointments are generally recommended as the spa can book up, especially during peak vacation periods. The treatments are provided at additional cost beyond the all-inclusive package, with prices that are often reasonable compared to Western spa standards but can add up for multiple treatments. The spa environment aims for tranquility with calming decor and relaxing music, though the level of luxury and modernity varies. Trained therapists provide the treatments, though language barriers can occasionally occur. Some basic wellness activities like yoga or stretching classes might be offered as part of the animation program at no extra charge, typically held in peaceful outdoor settings during cooler morning hours. The combination of spa treatments, heat facilities, and wellness activities provides good options for guests prioritizing relaxation during their vacation. Families traveling with children will find that Long Beach Resort makes efforts to accommodate younger guests with dedicated facilities and programs. The Kids Club provides a supervised environment where children can engage in age-appropriate activities, crafts, and games while parents enjoy some adult time. The club typically operates during set hours throughout the day with trained staff organizing activities designed to entertain and engage young guests. The playground areas feature equipment like slides, swings, and climbing structures where children can burn energy in outdoor settings. These play zones are usually positioned within sight of pool or restaurant areas, allowing parents to relax nearby while kids play. The shallow children's pools provide safe aquatic spaces specifically designed for younger swimmers, with depths appropriate for toddlers and young children. Many families appreciate these dedicated pools as safer alternatives to the main pool's deeper sections. The animation team includes children in many daytime activities with games, competitions, and entertainment designed to appeal to various age groups. Mini disco sessions in the evenings give kids their moment to dance and enjoy music before bedtime. High chairs are available in restaurants, and the buffet typically includes child-friendly food options like pasta, pizza, chicken, and French fries alongside the more diverse international offerings. Some room configurations work particularly well for families, with connecting rooms or family suites providing space for everyone without feeling cramped. Babysitting services might be available upon request for an additional fee, though availability should be confirmed with reception. The beach and snorkeling opportunities provide excellent family activities, with children often delighted by the colorful fish visible in the shallow areas. While the resort makes genuine efforts to accommodate families, parents should note that not all areas are equally child-proofed, and supervision remains important, particularly around pools and at the beach. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.